Tech Solutions putting in a 48 port PoE switch today. We're going to be replacing the Comcast rented modem with a customer owned, and we're also going to be combining the AT&T and Comcast internet into one as a failover so they never go down. So we'll show you how to do it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're back. We ended up mounting our 48 port switch and crossing all the switching over all the cables from the old 8 port switches to the new switch. We're in the process of identifying all the cables and tracing them and labeling them so that we can cut them all to length. As you see, there's this big huge mess of cables, so we're going to organize them, cut them to length. We're going to put them in a keystone patch panel and use patch cables to come over to the switch, and we're going to show you how. Stay tuned. Guys, so we're back. We cut all our cables down to size. Now we're going to put them into the keystone patch panel. They're going to be labeled. So now I'm going to show you how you guys are going to terminate these into the keystones. Stay tuned. placing all the keystones and the keystone patch panel, and we're going to make sure they're aligned, zip tied, and also labeled each and every port. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we're done putting our patch panel in. As you can see, it's labeled, it looks really organized, and we got the patch cables going to the switch. Everything is working as it should. Now we're just going to make some minor adjustments, and we'll show you what we got. So guys, this is the end result. We got this router flashed with OpenWRT that is accepting the Comcast internet and AT&T, and it's an automatic failover. One goes down, the other one kicks in. This is an existing phone system. We're going to get rid of those, and we're going to put VoIP phones next. This is for the next video, so make sure you guys watch that. From that router, it comes down here to the switch, which goes to the corresponding jacks all around the building. So as you see, we'll have some pictures from before and after, and it's completely different. So hope you guys liked it. Everything's on a backup battery. Just gonna throw that in there in case it goes down. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and subscribe and like.